Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in Gatewala platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates, notification, informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on Gatewala platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of details related to your career. So if we talk about guys today's important update, then Gate 26 response sheet and answer key and master question paper and master's answer key are now available. So you can download by visiting the official GOPS portal. So you need to submit your enrollment ID and then password, and once you submit it you are able to log in on your portal, and on that particular portal you are able to find out the response sheet PDF and master's paper PDF and master quiz answers PDF and all. If we talk about next, then lots of students want to check what is their expected rank based on their marks. So guys, there are PW Gate rank predictor is live, you can utilize it. The rank predictor link is also shared with all of you in Telegram and video comment section and all, so you can find out, put your details, and you can check your expected rank, whatever rank is there, and accordingly we will guide you for which options you will get. So you can share your result, and definitely whatever options you are looking, we will try to guide you for the same. Rest we will meet in another video. You can join Kuldeep sir _ PW Telegram channel for every guidance and all. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.